Today, we're talking about something super important: water-soluble vitamins. You've probably heard that vitamin C dissolves in water, but did you know there are other essential vitamins that do the same? Stick around because we're breaking down which vitamins they are, why it matters, and how to make sure you're getting enough. First things first, what does water-soluble even mean? Well, unlike fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are stored in the body, water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water and aren't stored for long. That means you need to replenish them regularly through your diet. Okay, so besides vitamin C, here are the other water-soluble vitamins you should know about. 1. B-complex vitamins. All of them. B1, thiamine, helps convert food into energy. B2, riboflavin, supports skin health and energy production. B3, niacin, important for metabolism and nervous system function. BAS, pantothenic acid, helps make blood cells and hormones. B6, pyridoxine, supports brain health and immune function. B7, biotin, great for hair, skin, and nails. B9, folate folic acid, crucial for DNA and cell growth, especially important for pregnant women. B12, cobalamin, vital for nerve function and red blood cell production. 2. Vitamin C, yes, the famous one. Boosts immunity, helps with collagen production, and acts as an antioxidant. See, it's not just vitamin C. Your body needs all these B vitamins daily because they flush out quickly. Here's the catch. Since these vitamins dissolve in water, they can be lost during cooking or processing. For example, boiling vegetables can leach vitamins into the water. So, what's the solution? Tips to preserve water-soluble vitamins. Steam or stir-fry veggies instead of boiling them. Drink the broth if you boil foods. Hello soups. Store foods properly. Some vitamins degrade with light and air. Eat a varied diet. Since your body doesn't store these vitamins, you need a steady supply. Worried you're not getting enough? Look out for these signs. Fatigue, weak immunity, skin issues, tingling in hands, feet, especially with B12 deficiency. If you notice these, consider checking your diet or talking to a doctor. And that's it. Now you know that vitamin C isn't the only water-soluble vitamin. Your B vitamins are just as important. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment. What's your favorite vitamin-rich food? See you in the next video.